Hello students, welcome to online class. I am Lakshmi Miss here and today I am going to teach you grammar subject for the class 5th. Students, in the last lecture what we have seen, did you remember? We have learned about the predicators, article, and the, and subject, predicate. Before that we have learned like that topic we have learned. In this lecture today we are going to learn a new unit or new topic, that is the name of topic is kinds of noun. What we are going to see? We are going to see the kinds of noun. Do you know what is meant by kinds of noun? Kinds, it means types. What is types? Kinds, it means types of noun. So in this lesson, in this unit, we are going to learn the types of nouns. Before that, you should tell me, do you know students what is meant by noun? What is meant by noun? You should know that before. Noun, it means a naming word. A noun is the name of person, place, animal and things. Look at here is a given definition of noun. A noun is the name of person, place, animal or things. So you should always keep in mind, noun it means naming word. It used for a person, any place, any animal or things, that is called noun. It means in the person we have seen any girl, girl, these come in a person. These are a naming words and this is called noun. Then place, in the place garden, hospital, temple, like that way word it will come. Then animal, in the animal category what it will come students? Do you know? In animal category there it will come all the name of animals, and in the things it will come the all things. It means pen, pencil, table, chair, door, window, broom, like that way all things it will come in the category things. It means noun. What is meant by noun? Noun is the name of person, place, animals and things. Okay, did you understand students? So we will see the next. How many types of nouns? Do you know? There are, here is given 4 types of noun. Which are that? Common noun, proper noun, abstract noun and collective noun. How many types are given here students? Here are given the 4 types of noun. First one is common noun, second is proper noun and third is abstract noun and fourth is collective noun. So we are going to see the all information about the each type. So we will start from the first. What is first type is given there? The first type is common noun. So do you know students what is meant by common noun? Look at here, we will see what is meant by the common noun. Common noun is the common name given to the person, places, animals or things of the same kind. What is meant by the common noun? Common noun is the common name given to a persons, places, animals or things of the same kind. This is important, same kind. It means समान जातीच्या किंवा समान गुणधर्माच्या पर्सन, व्यक्ती असतील किंवा कोणतेही ठिकाण असतील किंवा प्राणी असतील किंवा कोणत्याही गोष्टी असतील, त्या एका जातीच्या असणाऱ्या व्यक्तींना किंवा वस्तूंना किंवा ठिकाणांना किंवा प्राण्यांना जे सर्वसामान्यपणे दिलेलं जे नाव असतं त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं? कॉमन नाउन असं म्हटलं जातं. Did you understand students? So first is example given here, that is a doctor, city, cat. Look at here, flower. Here is given one, it means one things or one animal of the same kind. It means here is shown that cat. Do you know students, cat? Then here is another one different example is tiger. It means there are a different tiger. It will come in the category of a tiger. Did you understand? Then here is flower. In that flower, here is not told the specific flower. It means sunflower or any other flower. Here is told that flower. It means there is any flower, rose flower, periwinkle flower, it will come under this. Then sunflower, etc. Other flower also it will come. It means this is a common noun. Did you understand? And doctors, it means a person. Do you know doctors? Here is not taken the name of personal doctor. So proper doctor. So doctor is a common noun. Did you understand, students? After that, here is told about the city. City is a common noun. Here is not given the proper name of city. It means Pune city, Mumbai city, Bangalore city, Chennai city. Here is not given the proper noun. Here is generally given. Generally what given here? Here is generally given city, place. Did you understand, student? That is called common noun. सर्वसामान्यपणे सांगितलेल्या गोष्टी असतील किंवा व्यक्ती असतील किंवा ठिकाणे असतील किंवा प्राणी असतील यांना काय म्हटलं जातं? कॉमन नाउन असं म्हटलं जातं, जे सर्वसामान्यपणे सांगितले जातात. समजते मुलांना तुम्हाला? त्यानंतर आपण पुढील टाईप पाहणार आहोत. दॅट इज अ proper noun. Look at here. Next type is proper noun. What does mean by proper noun? Proper noun, it means a proper noun is the special name given to a particular person, place, animal or things. Look at here. Proper noun is the special name given to a particular person, place, animal or things. It is a special noun or it is a special name. Did you understand? That is given to the particular person or particular place or a particular animal or a particular things. It means that is called a proper noun. Proper noun. The example is given of a proper noun. Look at here. Meera, Kolkata, Moti, Mars. Look at here, students. Here is a given some example of a proper noun. So we are going to learn the types of nouns comparatively. Which types of noun? Common noun and proper noun. We are going to learn both nouns comparatively, because we will see it comparatively, then you will easily understand. Okay, look at here, children. Here is a proper noun, that is a special name. If I told you boy, about the boy, what is this boy? Boy is a common noun. Generally I called the boy, but I told you Rohan, about the Rohan. What is this Rohan? Rohan is a proper noun because it is a special name. Do you know, students? If all students or all boys are in the class, then what will I call you? If I will call you Rohit, come front, then who will come front? Only Rohit will come front, or other student will come front? No, no one will come front. Did you understand, students? Because Rohit is his special name. Did you understand? Special name of a particular person. So Rohit, what it will come? Rohit, Reena, Meera. It means name of girl, boy, man, woman. That is come in a proper noun, the special name of particular person. It means Rohan, Seema, Meera, Geeta, Sham, Ram. That all name comes in a proper noun. Then special name given to the particular place. What is a particular place, students? Before that we have seen the example of city. It means in a common noun we have seen the city example is that, but city is a common noun. Did you understand that? That is a place. It means in the place what it will come? Hospital it will come, garden it will come, city it will come, any village it will come, country it will come, those places are there, that place it will come in this common noun. But if I will tell you Pune is a city name, and that is a special name and particular name. If I will talk about the Pune, then you will easily understand that is Pune situated in a Maharashtra. You will easily understand. If I will talk about the Kolkata is a city. Chennai, I will talk about the Chennai. I will talk about the Mumbai. Then what you will understand? You will understand the proper name of city or the proper name of place. Did you understand? So it's called the proper noun. Then proper noun, a special name given to a particular animal. How animal's name? It means cat is a common noun, dog is a common noun, tiger is a common noun. Like that way, what it will come in a proper noun? Everyone's cat is general, but we have kept a name for our pet. Did you know? Everybody's know that everybody's like their pet, favorite their pet, and we have kept their name. बघा मुलांना, आपले जे पेट ॲनिमल्स असतात त्यांचं आपण काहीतरी नाव ठेवलेलं असतं, ते त्यांचं स्पेसिफिक नाव असतं. आता आपल्याकडे आपल्याकडे कॅट आहे, आणि ती कॅट इतर कॅटमध्ये मिसळली, दुसऱ्या कॅटमध्ये मिसळली. जर आपण तिला आवाज दिला, माऊ इकडे ये म्हटल्यानंतर काय होतं? ती कॅट आपल्याकडे येते आणि आपलीच कॅट येते. दुसरी कॅट येते का? नाही. हे काय झालं? तिचं स्पेसिफिक नाव झालं, स्पेशल नाव झालं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल बघा, अजून आपला डॉग आहे, टॉमी नाव आहे त्याचं, आणि तो इतर डॉगशी खेळण्यासाठी बाहेर गेलेला आहे. तर जेव्हा आपण त्याला हाक मारतो तेव्हा त्याच्या प्रॉपर नावाने हाक मारतो. त्याचं स्पेशल नाव असतं. काय नाव असतं त्याचं? टॉमी नाव असतं. मग जेव्हा आपण त्याला हाक मारतो तेव्हा इतर डॉग्स येतात का पळत? नाही. कोण येतं? फक्त आपला टॉमी येतो. म्हणजे डॉग हे काय झालं? जनरली डॉग हे कॉमन नाउन झालं, आणि टॉमी हे काय झालं? आपल्या डॉगचं काय झालं? प्रॉपर नाउन झालं. येते लक्षात? सिटी म्हटल्यानंतर त्याच्यामध्ये कोणतीही सिटी आली, कॉमन झालं. पण पुणे सिटी, मुंबई सिटी म्हटल्यानंतर हे काय झालं? ते प्रॉपर झालं. समजते तुम्हाला? अशाच पद्धतीनं वस्तूचं, प्रत्येक व्यक्तीचं, ठिकाणाचं, प्राण्यांचं जे काही स्पेशल नाव असतं, स्पेसिफिक नाव असतं, ते काय असतं? प्रॉपर नाउन असतं. डिड यू अंडरस्टँड स्टुडंट? सो वी विल सी द नेक्स्ट. What is the next type? The next type is given here, abstract noun. What is meant by abstract noun? An abstract noun is the name given to a quality that persons or things have. It may also be the name given to an action or a state. Look at here students, abstract noun, it means the quality of a person or things, that is called a abstract noun. This is important. You can easily understand abstract noun. It means the quality of the person or the things, that is called abstract noun. It means what it will come? Goodness, it is a quality. Softness, childhood, movement, youth, action also it comes in a abstract noun. And all quality, persons quality or things quality, it will come in a abstract noun. Then we will see the next type is collective noun. You can see here, next type is collective noun. A collective noun is the name given to a collection of a people, animal or things taken together as one whole. Look at here students, collective noun is the name given to a collection of people, collection of things, collection of animals that taken together as a one whole. Collective noun, it means name given to the collection of people. Collection, it means samuha, sangraha, group of peoples, group of animals, group of things that we have taken together. It means for example student, we have collect the flowers. What we call that? Group of flowers. What we call? Bouquet. Okay. If all players are there, then what we call? There is team of players. What we call? Team. That is a specific word, and that is comes in a collective noun. Then again, for example soldiers are there, so much soldiers are going from there. Then what we said, we are saying that all soldiers are going. We use the proper word, collective noun we used for that. What is that? Army. What we used? Army. It means team, army, bouquet, then flock, herd, swarm, crowd. These all words come in a collective noun. Okay, did you understand, students? Like this word, it comes in a collective noun. So what we have seen today we have seen the kinds of nouns, it means types of nouns. In which we have seen the definition of noun, then what is meant by common noun, what is meant by proper noun, what is meant by abstract noun, and what is meant by collective noun. And we have seen the examples of the common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, and collective noun. All types we have seen the example here. Did you understand, student? This is a very important concept and you should understand this concept. Okay, so now we will solve the exercise of these kinds of nouns. Look at here, this is exercise given on your textbook, page number 11. You can see in your book also exercise is given here. First exercise question we will read. Put the nouns given in the list below in their correct groups. Look at here, here is given the list of nouns. What is given here? Here is given the list of nouns and we have to put that nouns in their proper groups. Groups is given, here is a proper nouns, here is a common nouns, here is abstract nouns, and here is a collective nouns. So we have to read the words, read the nouns, and we have to write in a proper groups or correct groups. Look at here, students. First word is fleet, orchestra, judgment, silence, bouquet, protection, modesty, pilot, brood, China, the Narmada, cluster, death, Sachin, refrigerator, Island, Chitta, Jupiter, musician, Nagpur, cousin, truth, bunch, the Arabian Sea. Like this way nouns are given here and we have to distribute it in a different groups. Okay, we have to distribute it this all nouns in a different group. So please pay attention, when I will tell you will write in your book. मुलांनो लक्ष द्या, मी जे नाव सांगते ते तुम्ही पटकन तुमच्या बुकमध्ये पण लिहून घ्यायचं आहे आणि कन्फर्म करायचं आहे. Look at here, here is given the first word fleet. Fleet is comes in a which noun? Collective noun. Okay, fleet is come in a collective noun. Second word protection. Okay, protection. Protection is, what is this? This is a abstract noun. It means it shows a quality of protection. Okay, protective quality. So protection, it will come in the abstract noun. You should write the proper spelling of protection. Okay, then next word, next noun is the Narmada. The Narmada is, what is this? Narmada is a river and river is a common noun, but Narmada is proper noun because Narmada, Kaveri, Panchganga, Ganga river, this is a name of proper. Okay, so the Narmada, we will understand which river is that only, that is Narmada. So this come in a under the proper noun. So here write Narmada. Okay, then next is Island. Island is, what is that? Iceland. Iceland is a, what is meant by Iceland? Iceland, it means bed. Okay, it means the part of lands which covered with the वॉटर, म्हणजे जमिनीचा वरती आलेला भाग, ज्याच्या कडेने चारी बाजूने काय असते? पाणी असतं. असा जमिनीचा वरती आलेला भाग, त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं? आइसलँड म्हटलं जातं. मग इथं स्पेसिफिक आइसलँडचं नाव सांगितलेलं आहे का? नो. सो आइसलँड इट विल कम इन अ कॉमन नाउन. ओके, आइसलँड इट विल कम इन टू द कॉमन नाउन. सो you should write Iceland in a common noun. So next word, look at here, next is Nagpur. What is that next word? Nagpur. So Nagpur, what is it? It is a name of city. So what it will come? It will come in a proper noun. So write Nagpur in a proper noun. Next word is orchestra. What is that? Orchestra. Orchestra, it means group of singers, musicians, that is called orchestra. Then this word or this noun, it will come in which group? Collective nouns. Where it will come? Collective nouns. So write here orchestra. Okay, write proper spelling, check the spelling and write properly. Next noun is modesty. What is the next noun? Next noun is modesty. Modesty, it is the quality of human being. Modesty, it means politely. In Marathi we can say namrata, namrapani. Modesty, it means that is a quality of human being. It means quality of a person. So it comes in which noun? It comes in a abstract noun. We can't see modesty, modest. So modesty, it will come in a abstract noun. Okay students, please pay attention and write fast. We will see the next, cluster. What is the word? Next word is cluster. Cluster, it means, cluster means group. So it will come in a collective noun. So write here cluster. Next is cheetah. Cheetah, what is that? That is a name of animals. It is a generally category of animal, that is called cheetah. So it will come in a common noun. So write cheetah in a common noun. Okay, next is cousin. Cousin already written here in the common noun. So we will look at the next, judgment. Judgment, it comes in a which noun? Judgment, it comes in a abstract noun. Judgment, it means we have to take the proper decision. Okay, judgment, that noun comes in a abstract noun. Then next is pilot. Pilot, it will come in a which common noun? Here is a not, we have taken the pilot. Pilot is a category of a persons. Okay, here is a not given the proper noun. So pilot, it will come in a common noun. Then the death. Death is come in abstract noun. Here is written already. Then Jupiter. What is the Jupiter? Jupiter is the name of, what is that? Our solar system. One planet is there, Jupiter. Did you know? So it will come in a proper noun, Jupiter. Then next is truth. Truth is a abstract noun. So write there truth. Truth, it will come here in a abstract noun. Then next is silence. Silence, it will come abstract noun. Okay students, so write here silence. Then next word is brood. BROOD. Brood, it will come, it is come in a common noun. So write here brood. Then next word Sachin. Sachin is a proper name, so it's come in a proper noun, Sachin. Next is musician. Musician, it means band of musician. It means there are a collection of pupils, collection of musicians, group of musicians. So musician, it will come in a collective noun. So write there under the collective noun, musician. Next is bunch. Bunch, it means bunch of books, notebooks. So bunch, that word, that noun, it will come in a collective noun. Next is bouquet. Bouquet, it means group of flowers. It will also come in a collective noun. So bouquet, right there, bouquet is come into the collective noun. Next is China. China is written here already in the proper noun. Next word is refrigerator. Okay, refrigerator, it is a same kind of things. It means refrigerator, it will come in a common noun. So write in the common nouns. Next is the Arabian Sea. Last, the Arabian Sea, it will come in a proper noun here. Okay student, did you understand? So we will see which nouns come in a proper nouns. I will read once again. Look at here. In the proper nouns, China is given there. Then Narmada, Nagpur, Jupiter, Sachin, and last the Arabian Sea. These all nouns will come in a proper nouns. Next is common noun. So which nouns it will come in a common noun? First is cousin, second is, look at here, second is Iceland, third one Chitta, fourth one pilot, then brood, and then refrigerator. These nouns it will come in a common noun. Now we will see the abstract noun. First word death it will come, then second is protection, then modesty, then judgment, then truth, and then silence. Okay, this 6 noun it will come in a abstract noun. And last is collective noun. Which nouns it will come in collective noun? Look at here, fleet, orchestra, cluster, musician, bunch, bouquet. These all nouns it will come into the collective noun. Did you understand, student? So today we have seen the proper noun, common nouns, abstract nouns, and collective noun. You should write properly, first understand properly, and then complete your book. Okay students, today we have seen the types of nouns. Did you understand, student? This is all for today students. We will meet in the next video with a new unit, new topics. Till that time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep study. Thank you.